All right, guys, Rooster here in Tennessee, roostercb.com, Galaxy DX44v. This is one that I traded a local gentleman out of, local customer out of. Bought it from him. I don't really remember, but I didn't hook it up and test it before I got it. Just took his word on it. And, there you go. You get what you get when you do that sometimes. Sometimes chicken, sometimes eggs. But we're going to make somebody a good deal on this radio. Free shipping, of course. It's going to be kind of I guess you'd say kind of a bargain type radio. It does have a couple of things I want to point out about it before we get into testing it here, just to be up front. These knobs, obviously not factory, should look like this with the flat knob sticking out. So there's that. The squelch potentiometer is like stripped out of it. So not just the knob, not just the exterior knob, the actual potentiometer in there will spin round and round. Now, fortunately, it seems like the squelch is turned all the way down because you can still hear the static coming in there. If the squelch was like stuck all the way up, you'd be able to hear any static. And we'll just double check the receive. So again, it's receiving just fine, as to be expected. So that's good. The internal speaker is not working on it. It didn't have any sound at all. So my initial thought was, well, damn, the potentiometer is messed up on the squelch and it's stuck, turned way up high, so I can't get any sound out of it. And that would have sucked. But ends up, the two problems aren't related. The internal speaker is no good, but if you hook an external speaker up to it, it works fine. Okay, that being said, you're watching this video and you're still interested in the radio. Everything else seems to be fine on it. I mean, the echo. Hello, audio. Let's see if we can get the echo turned up. Hello, 1, 2, audio, 1, 2, audio. All right. I mean, that sounds like crap, but that just lets you know that the echo's working, talkback works. Again, they're tied together on these unless you modify them, these older Galaxies. RF power, we can test it and see how much power it's doing here. Middle scale, 50 watts. So all the way up, 5 watts. Audio, all the way down, nothing. Hello, audio. Hello. So 15, 16 watts average. That's pretty stout for one of these. And then all the way up. Hello. Yeah, it's doing a lot. Audio. That's a lot of average power out of this radio. So I don't know what's been done to it, but it's doing a lot of average power audio, doing similar to one I just had in here a week or so ago. I don't remember what radio it was, but I had a radio that was doing this. It was doing like the same average and same peak power, so probably the same person did the mod to it. So 30 watts PEP. And like I said, you go to average, turn the RF power wide open. Hello, audio, and it does just a little bit less average. So I can't remember what radio that was. Oh, audio. It's drawing some current too. 4 amps. Pretty healthy amount of current. 14.7 volts. So that's it, guys. Again, when you see the price on this thing, it's free shipping. It's just for the radio. Knocking a considerable amount off what I was going to ask for. It had everything been working the way it was supposed to. Like I said, that's on me. I didn't check it out before I bought it. So before I traded for it, bought it, whatever. It's sometimes you get into these situations. It's not a big deal. Roger beep works. Alrighty. We'll get this one listed up on the website, everybody. Galaxy DX44v. Appreciate it. Rooster in Tennessee, roostercb.com. See you, bye.